Orlando Pirates Mawani, Badladile, they played against Magis in the Carling knockout. They won the game 2-1. Coach Owadu, again, changed the squad. This time he started Yanela Mbutuma, Atomaleka Dainsin, which personally I think is a bit unfair on the boy. Umfagile pressure epaya. He's playing a crucial game. Last season, Magesi knocked out Orlando Pirates. This time, Uwamkala, and it's like, wow, Kala Lendwanale. If he doesn't play well, are you aware that he's not going to be on the good books to the supporters? And then he's going to be forced to play him again next game. Because with Yanela Mbutuma, I'd like to assume he was trying to bring back his confidence. Towards the end of the game, Ushapa post-match conference, wa complain. Ori, the way Badladi did the last 15 minutes is nonsense. That's not what he's there for. He's there for goals. Ronaldo goal scorer Mabasa Abadladis, which is also confusing. Swiso, when Abono Shugela, we creme de la creme player, besides the Pirates Mawina, the ball go or Shais in Desimland. What did you think about the style of play Orlando Pirates implemented in the last 15 minutes of the game? The one that the coach complained about, which even led to Magesi FC scoring the goal. Ujablile, because it Polalako, or are you saying that Abafit? I manage, say.
Mixed emotions, but because of I was doing it.
You're right.
Aye.
Are you right?
Sharp, man. Sharp. But right now, I can say maybe the coach, because Tina, the coaches that we had, we are full now, full. Say Kibela Tin. Git.
Yeah.
I go to coach because with my daughter it's time. I want to so it after
Yeah.
You understand? So hence I'm saying I heard the comments and I heard people talking. Some don't like it. Obviously, you know they call it a show putting.
Yeah.
You know, by ends I eat show putting. By ends I want to leave a flick. No, he's taking someone on. So me now. Personally, ngoba mina ngumuntu oshukela bengizenzela ushukela ngiyazithandela namanje ngizikhothela intwana washa isipite usishaye mfethu. You understand? So for us when we were playing athina besiyenza nange 0-0 mfethu uthi shake abantu. So his comments, maybe he knows and maybe he has told the players what he wants to do. You understand? And obviously, I'm a coach, our fan. You understand? You get a coach, or if you get a coach, or get a coach or do it there. But you find coaches that say strictly. You understand? I remember I played Sundowns, you know, and we were playing it. I was playing for Vets.
Yeah.
MTN 8. Bombel. We were playing. Which coach was there?
Roger Risa.
No.
Mr. Msima.
Kevin
Sundowns.
No.
Okay.
Luna
Kevin
Vets.
Hunt. But we won't begin Zagalan. Except
He had no choice.
Yes. But he was angry.
Show putting a little different. I think show putting that game, Fana. Nice different. Show putting. There's a show putting already. Yokubamba ibhola ngedolo or yawele social media yasekasi
le because if sikhuluma ngisho showboating just before we go deep into the Chiefs game ubonile Chiefs 3-1 3-0 up Mduduzi Shabalala wayithwara uyinamela kamadolo mlungu cross hey ngamleli noshukela baba lathatha cross utka ushayitheke lapha and then no it like it what is sharper yabuya team ele yashapa one. They became too casual. Yabuya team ele ya shapa one. Ki modi player tsona di bona esa no man go right. Even from Pokekana o complain la didn't tell di sharp for the Phillies game. Mara na kere lesana di players tsa di Phillies game. Some players tsoko PSL le ba scout ka di Phillies game. So expect gore ba tlo etsa riding. So wena o renka showboating like at large showboating. E sharp maybe aruna ka bo ma 5-0. Very sharp because intimidate opposition.
Not I think the kind of showboating is different. Showboating it was not even showboating, it was like outplaying them. That time Vets played Sundowns, Kombombela. They were 2-3 goals up, ne? And then they kept the ball for like 7 minutes against Sundowns. That's not showboating. That's outplaying a team. Because they want to know sharper style and passing from that side, from one side to another side. They kept the ball for like 7 minutes, which for me was not showboating. That's not standing on the ball and we palame. or kalungwele or khuname ka hlo and stuff. That's a different showboating, and I'm not into that. Yeah, utla ipalama ka ldolo, utla ka hlo, utla re. Mar Pirates yesterday's game. Never passana. They were passing Jimo. They kept the ball. What was disrespecting there? There was no disrespect because you are doing what's been done in a usual game. Like you're just passing the ball, just that you're not going forward. That's keeping the ball from the opposition for like 5 minutes.
Mbule, close to his goal post.
Yes.
And then
Asha cross.
If it a boxer, if it a keeper, and there's a Makesi player.
But we
No, but I'm just saying.
Yes.
But then I'm saying,
they kept the ball.
Yeah, the way Tuso is, we be sharp. Lin I'm saying, but
We have the ball. Like a risk in our box.
So I think the coach also said, I worry. It was showboating. Ubile Abu, I think press conference this short passes. Which one ulaka Barcelona pasana so really too. So ngaro ulaka yo. Naretsebi
because no snap tonight at the time.
Pelaramseba Tito Mutwa. I can see he's not doing it. So bona by treat to ntanga ba tlere. Maybe papa hey.
So is that why maybe Sipa Sajali read?
Because then Tito is no more doing it. We yen him 1-1, but if you watch,
he's not doing like before, yeah.
Not like before. But he was not. Hence I'm saying, or maybe it's the coach. Hence I'm saying, Laza we want. Baraki Kashoa bar positive showboating.
If we keep the ball for 5 minutes, for me that's okay. Do it for 10 minutes even. Show the team mabamake. And how keep it inside there. Yeah, that's a not even showboating. That's showing that you're outplaying the opponents.
And then if they consider, it's unfortunate.
Yeah, if I consider, but because of what that does, that's why the coaches don't really favor it. Because what that does now, it's the concentration of winning the game goes. Because now say keep the ball. You all want to go there and touch the ball and it's left back. So that takes away the concentration and the focus of the team as a whole. That's why even yesterday, Pirates, I consider Polo Eli. You saw China's reaction to the goal. Yes, because now the concentration of the whole team is gone. Because now Polo, Rapasana, so like we have no danger. So it does that. So that might be also the reason why coach didn't like that. Because it takes the concentration of the other guys from the game. No, we win the game. We don't have set piece now. We don't have the marking is not right. The positioning is not okay. You understand? Because of now, right in the ball. So maybe I think the coach comes from that side of him seeing things. But now air passing and keeping the ball, I don't have anything against you.
And they considered a set piece. It's not like
to pass the strike.
The person is to pass it or pass out. Problem kore tabaye ya showboating na linto tse ngata na se ke ipuela cause na vele ne ke tabula so vele
awena beke into zakho zoyimela
vele imela mina na ngayenza everywhere
uyenza na sekhe
and I always tell people Lore that team ya rona Kef that's one thing that made us get to the final
go trouble
every game besingana skhathi ampo banshaya
I just hope we can find that
ay
nazwela mfethu botsibinki nabonolwazi of the beautiful game. What do you think? Are they right? Showboat when it's necessary. If it's petty position, coach, why not? We are leading after all. Mara, it's dangerous because we might concede a goal. Because Sesiluza, a concentration. We've seen it from the greats. Skarangobese used to do it. Masbusani Zongo used to do it. Jabu Mahlangu used to do it. Sfisomieni himself used to do it. Tabo Rakhale, Tabo Kalinge, the list is endless. Both Piwa Shabalala would do it. Nago Bafana sometimes. When Bafana is winning, maybe it's just our identity of football, and these foreign coaches just won't accept. Let us know what you think about it. Remember, this show is brought to you by Africa Picks. For the best betting odds, visit their website. And remember, Maupecha. not because le idlalwa la. Danko is thank you. Cereal is breakfast and it's ready for you to eat. Maungakadli.